Alright, well this is unfortunately an unexpected part 2 of 2 for a same-day repair. I don't know, well whoever's been following for a while knows that I've said a few times on more than one occasion that you want to plan for things to not go according to plan. And, well, that's essentially what's going on. So, the repair itself is good, it's great, we're on track. But, well, obviously the recording ended up being 2 parts, which I don't like. And then, well, I'll show you guys soon. Give me just a moment. But welcome back, part 2 of 2. Oh, this sounds all brutal. There we go. Alright, final outcome on the post. Final outcome on the pins. So this is the crappy thing. So we are going to have to replace that. Unless I could... It's probably on the end of the cable. Give me one moment. Alright, so if I could get it off the end of the cable, we'll only charge for materials. But if I can't get it off the end of the cable without it falling apart, basically, then we'll have to replace that and then charge plus parts and materials. So, see how it goes. Okay. Shall I use more flux? More. There we go. Sweet. And boop. Good as new. Alright, let's go ahead and reassemble and test. Alright. They're back in action. Anyhow, be sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment if you like what you see. Be sure to subscribe and to smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos. I'll be sure to throw these 2 into a playlist. You guys could watch them all in one fell swoop if you'd like. But other than that, thanks again for watching.